in the middle of doing some sharpening when this showed up. So I know what's in this box, but you guys don't. This was a Christmas present from Mr. Eric Oakes, and it just showed up. I know it's after Christmas, but I thought we would unbox it together. So let me get this all set up. You guys stand by and listen to some music. So guys, like I said, I knew this was coming. I had talked with Eric about it. So what this is this is a Christmas present from Eric Oakes. He was on a podcast here right before Christmas and then reached out to me and told me he had one of his production, I think it's called the Osprey. Am I being prepared for video? Yes, it is the Osprey ED. Wait. This is the Osprey EDX. I grabbed my phone. So, yeah, he sent this along as a Christmas gift. Told me I could do whatever I wanted with. It's one of the production knives. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this around, and I'm going to clean off the workbench and get all the sharpening stuff put away. And we are going to take a quick look at what Eric sent me as a Christmas gift. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is an impromptu video. I wasn't expecting to do it today, but this is the Oakes Osprey EDX. So this is his production line. Let's go ahead and get this open and let's see what's in here. So as you guys remember, Eric was on the, oh wow, hey, look at that. Eric was on the podcast here the other day. I talked to him about the knife. We talked about it at the show. And since it came in, I figured let's do a quick unboxing. I have not gotten to handle one of these for more than just a couple minutes of the show, but he did send this as a, oh, there we go, backwards, as a gift. So here we go. This is the Oxworks knife model Osprey EDX blade material M390. This is number 150 of 262. It's slate blue G10, titanium frame bolster lock. Let's see here, stainless with titanium clip and spacer. Bolsters are integral with milled diamond texture, reversible clip, and it is a machine satin hollow grind. So I know you guys are like, stop showing me the card. And it's signed by Eric 11/19/2021. So he had said that he was going to send this to me. He said it had some micro scratches. He was going to give it to me as a gift to say thank you for having him on the podcast, which he definitely didn't have to do. So let's see what's in here first. So inside is, of course, that little pit bag of candy and a wipey rag. Does it have the Oxworks? It doesn't, but it is a nice wipey rag. And let's go ahead and open this up. And inside it is wrapped. Let's pull this out. I'm really happy about this. I liked this knife when I saw it at the show. I do believe that this is being done for him by Riyadh. So there's Oxworks, EDX. Let me zoom in. That thing is sharp. I can feel already. Oxworks, EDX, M390, number 150. And this thing is gorgeous. He says it has some micro scratches on it, but guys, I don't know where. So this thing is an amazing little knife. So expect to see, guys, I was saying, expect to see a review on this, some in-pocket carry time. Now, this is not something I would be giving away. You guys know how it works. Things that are gifts stay on the channel. This was a gift to the channel. I would definitely loan it out to folks if they want to borrow it. If Jared wants to see this. There are not many of these, 250. 150 of, how many did he say? 262. So there are 262 of these. This one is number 150. This thing is light, guys. Action is pretty good. That is super thin. When we do first day in the pocket, we'll talk about all that stuff. But you can see, like, it's just a milled bolster, and that's really nice. Really nicely done. Thank you very much, Eric. This was a very nice gift. Can I Can I get the finger flick on it? I can get the finger flick on it. So there you go. Nice blade shape with that swedge on the back. Really well done. Man, this is going to be a lot of fun to have. I'm going to have Eric send me pictures and tell me where these micro scratches are because, well, to tell you the truth, I don't see them. This knife looks perfect to me. So we will definitely be getting to have a good close look at this over the next few weeks. That thing is ridiculously sharp though. So there we go, guys. Thank you very much, Eric. What a thoughtful Christmas present. We will get some pictures taken of this and use them as the thumbnail. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the content. I know that holiday stuff, I haven't put out a lot of stuff, but it's not a great time for me right now between all the stuff we talked about on the live feed and the fact my family's gone. I just haven't really felt into it, and the videos are starting to show it, so I figured let's take a little break. So at any rate, guys, let's turn this around and do some final thoughts. So like I said, guys, what a thoughtful Christmas gift, huh? This is going to be a lot of fun. This is going to be something I'm going to enjoy having because it is a very thinly done knife that I think will, wow. About that, I forgot that was on in the background and decided to turn itself off. Like I said, really thoughtful gift. There's going to be a first day in pocket and everything on this before too long because I definitely am going to want to put this in my pocket. So guys, that's it for this one. I wasn't expecting to film it, but I kind of forgot it was coming. He told me it was coming. I knew it was coming. I kind of forgot. So guys, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. Please try to tell me why. As a content creator, I can use that to kind of dial in the content, but if you don't tell me what you don't like, I can't change it. If you want to support the channel, it's as simple as like I always do when I share channels, just share the videos with people you think would enjoy them and it gets us a broader base. If you do want to support the channel financially, there's a lot of ways you guys can do it. First and foremost, the most important is the memberships. We've lost a lot of members and I think it's accidental. A lot of them are just, I think, cards dropping and things like that. But the memberships actually support the channel directly. The other ways you can support the channel, I have all kinds of affiliate links down below. If you're going to do some shopping on Amazon, I would ask that you use the affiliate links. Even if you're not purchasing something that's down there, I still get credit for it. And then I have a merchandise store on Ember Shirt Code with a coupon code for both my merch store and Ember Shirt Code. Saves you 10% at checkout. It's CrazySharp. All one word, capital C, capital S, CrazySharp. Saves you 10%. So guys, I love you all. Keep it clean. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. If it's your birthday, happy birthday, and I will see you in the next video.